morning, everyone. Today, we are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. Being the sons of India, each year on this day, one unfolds the hue of saffron, pure white, and divine green with salutes and tribute. Passed back, it was on this day of 1947 that the Indian independence, along with its government, came into being. On this day, the Independence Act was finally declared in this nation. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. Once upon a time, India was termed to be a spice land, the place to be famous for its spices and masalas. With abundant resources and minerals, India was once termed to be the most attractive country in this world. When the British arrived and present India in their shackles, they began to misuse all the resources and started to collect all these valuable materials to their country. They started to force ownership on India and its policies. They implemented a divide and rule policy which shattered India into two parts. As every one of us is aware, India is a land of diversity and the British took advantage of this. They divided us in the name of region, religion, caste, and creed. After several years, when their atrocities became intolerable, some revolutionists like Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and millions of others whose names are not even known took the bold step to fight against the British rule. After a lot of efforts, they were successful to unite the Indians to fight back against the British and achieve independence. It's for this independence that these great freedom fighters happily sacrificed their lives. All the way through these years, our country has witnessed several ups and downs. We have seen our country prosper in the field of education, science, technology, infrastructure, agriculture, and industrialization. At the same time, we have seen a number of evil activities like some major terrorist attacks and other political scams which have let us down. But the spirit of our country still remains the same. Today we are here to pay tribute to the sacrifices of the great heroes and salute the spirit of unity among us. Not forgetting the Gandhi man of India, who once brought in the seraphic ideologies of Swaraj of the masses, has led this day to be the most memorable one in each year. We should always remember that we are one from Gujarat to Bengal and Kashmir to Kanyakumari. We all may be religiously different, our castes may vary, we may have language barriers, but our nationality is one Indian. We all are Indians. While we progress, our nation prospers further, and united together, we can make our beloved India a global leader. On this Independence Day, we should take a pledge that we would work for the nation and its unity with our full dedication. At last, I would like to end my speech with the words of Chandrasekhar Azad. If your blood doesn't rage, then it's water flowing in your veins. For what is the flesh of youth if it's not for the service to the motherland? Jai Hind.